I'm Delivery Manager here at Wealth Wizards. This is a short video about how we run testing.
So, what is testing? Our belief is that it's the first thing you consider. We map out our testing scenarios at the very start of the process. This helps the whole team understand what we're trying to achieve and how we're going to prove it's done. This is a technique called behaviour-driven development, and it allows testing to start before a line of code has been written. We also insist that testing is everyone's responsibility. All handovers are wasteful, create ambiguity, and also a sense of a lack of ownership. So every stakeholder and every team member is involved in and responsible for the quality of our applications. I think also there's a tendency to assume that more testing is always better. It's true that we execute thousands of low-level tests each time we commit an update to our code, but each new feature is assessed on its complexity and impact. Is it a shark, or is it just something that looks like a shark? Making sure the approach to testing is risk-based and tailored to each update ensures we deliver in an efficient, agile way. Automation is at the heart of our approach. Without it, test cycles would be longer and far more prone to manual error, and frankly, pretty dull. If a test isn't already written, then we write one using short snippets of easily understandable code. These tests can be run automatically at any time, on any environment, including our live environment. We also test on many forms of devices, automatically or manually, to ensure that we're meeting our goal of putting a wizard in every pocket. Automation also produces the evidence we need to ensure that we've got our audit trail for the advice that our applications produce. This keeps our compliance stakeholders happy and it allows us to move safely at speed. Finally, automation frees our engineers from necessary but repetitive tasks. They can use their creativity to look at new and more interesting ways of assuring quality. There's sometimes no substitute for the human eye, and inspection and exploratory testing also play a key role.